Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today's another rainbow loom tutorial. So when I was first designing this bracelet, I made it this way and I thought it was really cool, and then I turned it over and had a nice surprise that it looks cool both ways. So this is kind of the side of the bracelet because it's a little thinner, and that's the front of the bracelet, but you could totally try to wear it this way too. So let's get started on this tutorial. For this bracelet, you're going to want to line up your bands in the same color order: white, black, pink, white, black, pink, and keep repeating that pattern. And we're going to use our pencil loom. So this is a no hook, no loom tutorial. And I'm going to take my first white band and then place it on my pegs in a figure 8, like so. And then I'm going to place my black band and my pink band on my pencil loom. And these are limited edition rainbow loom bands. If you're wondering, the round band is, the black band is just a regular rainbow loom band. And then I'm going to pull up my figure 8 white band like so. I'm going to zoom in a little. Oops, that's not zooming in. Zoom in a little like that. So now I'm going to take my white band, and then every time you put a white band, you're going to put it in a figure 8. And then I'm going to take my black band and my pink band. And I'm going to pull up my white band. So now you kind of have these two that look exactly the same. I'm going to pull my pink band to the right side, and then I'm going to pull up my black band. Then I'm going to put my pink band back and do the same thing on the opposite side. Put my pink band on this side, and I'm going to pull up my black band. And then put the pink band back. And now I'm going to invert my pink and my black band, my bottom pink band and my black band, which just means I'm going to pull my black band down and my pink band up. And do the same thing on the opposite side. Black band down, bottom pink band up. And that's your first and second stitch. So I'm going to do it a few more times so you get the hang of it. So every time you put a white band on, it's going to be in a figure 8. Then you're going to put a black band and then a pink band. Now I'm going to pull up my white band. That's what you should have. So you have a black, a pink, a black, and a pink. Now you're going to pull this pink band, top pink band, onto the right peg, and then pull the black band up. Move the pink band back, and then pull the same pink band on the opposite side over. And then pull this pink band, and then pull this black band up. Same thing. And then you pull the pink band back. So that's what you should have. So if you can see, when you make the bracelet, you're making it this way and then it'll turn this way. So when I was making it, I thought I was making this kind of bracelet, and I turned it around and I saw this one. Now you're going to do the pink band. So every time you do the pink band, you're going to invert it. So the pink and the black get inverted, and the pink gets pulled up, and the same thing on the opposite side. The pink and the black inverted, and the pink gets pulled up. And now you're left with the next stitch. So the next one, you're going to take my white band, put into figure 8, and then put my black and my pink bands on. I'm going to pull up both sides of the white band, like so. Okay, now same thing. The first stitch is your black band, so you want to pull the pink band over, so these two black bands kind of connect like that. That's how I kind of remember it. Pull the pink band, and you can actually just hold on to it if you wanted to, or you can put it onto its own peg like that. But either way, you're going to take it back and put it back. Now the pink bands get inverted, so the pink and the black get inverted on both sides. And then you can restart the stitch again. So it'd be white in a figure 8, black, pink, pull up your white band, pull over your pink band so your black band can go up. Do the same thing on the opposite side and invert your pink band. Okay, probably do it one more time. White band figure 8, pink, black band, and then pink band. White band goes up, black bands, the pink band gets pulled onto its own peg, and then you pull up the black band on both sides, and then you invert the pink and the black and pull up the pink. And then to end the bracelet, all you would do is if you would pull up the black band like that and get a C-clip. And then just clip your bracelet. So this is the side of the bracelet like this. And you can see that sometimes you want to adjust it if you want to wear. So this is the side of the bracelet. And this is the front or the back of the bracelet. So this is a little one. It makes a cute keychain. Sometimes I use these as keychains instead of bracelets. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit me at thecheesethief.com for more tutorials like this. Be sure to comment down below on what kind of tutorials you'd love to see. Thanks for watching, and bye now.